Welcome, you're watching Initial Speed and my name's Omar. We're here at the Petersen Car Museum and we're about to go and check out some cars. So let's go. I should say we're a little bit late getting to the museum as it closes at 5. I'm getting here at 4. But we'll try to see as many cars as possible. First thing that stands out to me is this building. Look how amazing it looks. Very unique. Off the jump, we got a 1974 Porsche 911 Carrera. This thing looks beautiful. Another Porsche. This one's a 1969. We got the Tesla Semi, fully electric. I don't even know if the camera is capturing all of it. Look at this. Look at that fit, man. All right, let's get in. Let's get inside and see what's up. Check this out. Just saw this, the RB18. All right, so we don't have much time here. Like I said earlier before, they're pretty strict on when they're gonna close, which is 5. Certain places close at 4:30. So let's hurry up and see what we can see. So that's a Bumblebee, the concept Camaro. Pretty cool. We got a Batmobile as well. It's 1966 Cobra.
My favorite thing about them, they only have one key. You get it, there's a handle on the back.
As a kid, this car is very iconic. The Batmobile.
Yeah, it's heavier than you think. It's 135 pounds. But you can do it. Yeah. The alloy weighs 135 pounds. It cost 199 pounds.
Here we go. Lightning McQueen. Look at that. One thing I did miss was the I-8 from Mission Impossible. production car doesn't look quite like this, but it does keep some details from this guy. We got the Fiat. And that crazy stunt was done on this bike here. All right, well, this is the first floor, or the third floor as they say it. The first floor to the exhibit. We're gonna go to the second floor and see what's on that floor. Alrighty. You can take the elevator, but I decided to take the stairs. As you can see, these are the more of the cars that I'm accustomed to. We got a Porsche here. And this bad boy. Look at this thing. It's a 935. I like the color on this car. Screen is check this thing out. I want to say that this car is like the grandpa to that one over there. This whole floor has Porsches. They race in different series.
This year, I'm celebrating my own anniversary with it. It's the 50th year.
Holy.
Acted and produced over 40 movies, national champion race car driver, same thing with motocross. And he was really looking for a way to put everything under one umbrella and kind of one roof. It's a way for us to express ourselves, express our DNA, our McQueen heritage, and really share with the world what we've learned from my dad, who in turn learned from his dad. And
This is the 1976 Porsche 930 model 911 Turbo Carrera.
I'm Chase McQueen. I'm one of the founders of McQueen Racing. I'm the third generation of McQueen.
Look at this. Just looks menacing. Right out there, you can see the carbon center locks. This is the 2014 Porsche 911 991. I guess it raced in GT America. At least that's what the card says. But man, these are goals. I'd love to have a car that is built like this. Maybe one day. And we got the Transformers Porsche. Get the character. There's a Mirage.
inspect the car.
This is the Porsche 907K. Made in 1960. Everyone knows what this is.
Have you ever come up with 605 before you get to the 210? There's quarters.
We got Kit and Herbie. They even got some bikes. Let's check these out. Check out some of the Corvettes. Who doesn't like Corvettes? (1963) Corvette Grand Sport. Quite the racing lineage. Going down to the next floor. I believe this was like the first Tesla model based on a Lotus Elise, I believe. We progress to this guy here. This model here. Guess this represents the air as it passes by the chassis. Well, that's it for the show. I rushed through it. I think mainly we saw mostly Porsches. There were some Corvettes, things like that. But this venue is huge and it's well kept. And I do recommend that you guys go and check it out. But anyways, thanks for watching and catch you on the next one. Give everyone. Oh,